Hi, this is Teddy, and the question I got asked is how many responses can we get through a Google form? And I'm going to show you how to figure out that answer in this video. But before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of these videos specifically for you. So the question, how many responses can I get? It's a big number. It's a big number. Let me show you what creates the limit. What creates the limit is the spreadsheet, because all the Google form does is capture the data and send it to a Google spreadsheet. Now, whether that Google spreadsheet's a part of responses, which is displayed here, or an actual sheet, doesn't make a whole lot of difference based on all of the research that I've done. The limiting factor is how big a Google sheet can become. And furthermore, if you get to the point where the sheet gets full, you can unlink the form from that sheet and you can connect it to another sheet and you can start collecting again. So the big question is now, what's the limit or the size limit of a Google sheet? So I went and did some research. By the way, a sheet by default starts out with, let's see if I can get to it, 1,000. But I can come down here and I can easily add 10,000 more. Now I have 11,100. I could probably add even more than that, but I figured, let's get a real answer. So I did some research on Google, and Google says this: spreadsheets, you can have up to 10 million cells, or and you have 18,278 columns that go to column ZZZ for spreadsheets. So 10 million cells. So, and furthermore, you could also have, if you take that 18,278 columns, let's do that. Let's take the numbers, 10 million. Let's put commas on there so we can see that it's clearly going to show us. Here we go. That's 10 million. Now, if I have column ZZZ, which is, I think, 18,278 columns, now what do I have? If I do equals this divided by this, then I have 547 rows to get 10 million. But nobody's going to have 18,000 questions in a Google form. Think about that. Each column is equal to a question or a survey or a prompt or whatever. Let's say just by chance you can get 200. You can have 50,000 responses in a Google sheet. 200 times 50,000 is equal to 10 million cells. But 200 questions is a lot. Let's say we just do a reasonable 25. Now I can have 400,000 responses. Let's put some commas in there. 400,000 responses if I had 25 questions. Because 25 times 400,000 is 10 million cells. So it's a big number. Bottom line, it's a big number. And bottom line, the answer to how many responses you have is a factor of how much will fit in the spreadsheet, and you can only get 10,000 cells. It's divided by the number of questions you have, plus one more column, which is equal to the date and time, and maybe the email address. It'll give you the number of responses you can have before you max out a Google Sheet, and you are forced to unlink this sheet and link it to another one and start again. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.